Hello! In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download the VOISS application on an iPad. To start, open the web browser on your iPad. In this tutorial, I will use Chrome, but you can also use Safari and any other downloaded application. Click on it. Then you'll want to find your URL bar, located usually in the top middle of your screen. Click on it. Then you'll want to type what you see on the screen, or click on a link that was given to your teacher or your parent. For this, you'll want to type https://testflight.apple.com /join/HTHTMTSF, with the capitals at the end being where they are specifically. Once you do that, click Go. Then it'll bring you to this page where you have two steps. You'll want to follow step 1 where it says Get Test Flight, so click View in the App Store. Once you get here, locate the button that says Get and click on it. Then it'll ask you to install. For this one, I have to use my fingerprint, but yours may be a little bit differently, and you might just have to press Install. Then it will quickly install as it's a small program. Once it's installed, you can click Open. Once you click Open, it'll ask you if you would like notifications. If you would, click Allow. If you would not, click Don't Allow. Then you'll have this screen that tells you what it's going to do and what's going to be on your iPad. You'll have to press Continue to download. Once in here, you should see that the VOISS application is ready to install. Click on Install. This will finish the installation, but it will take a while as it is a big file, so be patient. Thank you.